Yeah, last class we have learnt about the homologous series. I hope we have finished alkane. Alkane we have finished it. I was telling you about. We'll start with alkenes. So alkenes. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n. This is general formula. General formula for alkane. General formula. I hope the board is clear. What is written on the board is visible to everyone. Okay, so CnH2n is a general formula. Yeah, CnH2n is general formula. Here, the first member of this group is ethane. Ethene is the first member. Ethene is the first member. Here, methane is not possible. Methane. Why? Because alkanes are nothing but they are the compounds with double bond. See, ENA means what you know? ENA means the suffix used here. So double bond is not possible with single carbon atom. With the meth, single carbon atom double bond is not possible. That's why the first member is not methane here. The first member of alkene homologous series. Homologous series ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? Group of hydrocarbon which is having a same general formula, similar chemical properties, and the difference between two hydrocarbon is CH2. The difference between two hydrocarbon is CH2. So that is homologous series. So we will write the molecular formula for this. So molecular formula. What is molecular formula? Use the formula CnH2n. So here N means what? Here N means it tells about the prefix. So here is ethane. The prefix is eth is a prefix. Eth means 2. So N becomes 2 over here. 2 into 2. So C2H4 is a molecular formula. C2H4 is a molecular formula. The structural formula for this is, so see how many carbon are there? 2 carbon are there. So 2 carbon are there, and in between 2 carbon there is a double bond. Double bond is there. So how many hydrogens are there? Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. See, this is the structure of the structural formula for the first member of alkenes, that is ethene. Then we'll move to the next member, that is propane. Propane we'll write. So propane. So prop means how much? So N is equal to 3. Prop means 3. Prop. Now, prefix. I hope the prefixes have been hearted. You have to memorize the prefixes. Prefixes you have to memorize. Prop is nothing but 3 carbon atom. This is a compound with 3 carbon atom. So ENA means what? ENA is nothing but double bond, having double bond. So we use the general formula now to write the molecular formula CnH2n. So here N is 3. 3 you have to write over here. 2 into 3. So C3H6. This is molecular formula for propane. Propane molecular formula is. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Let write the structure for this. Write the structure. How many carbon are there? Here already you know, through 3 carbon are there. structural formula. So write 3 carbon, you write first 1, 2, 3 carbon. Remember here, so double bond is there. ENA means double bond. So any one carbon atom, in any between two carbon atom, we have to place a double bond here. And you place the hydrogen now. Here one, here one, here one hydrogen, 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 here one. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 hydrogen. See, anywhere in the chain, in between two carbon atom, we have to place a double bond. All the carbon do not have double bond. In between all carbon do not have double bond. Only in between first two carbon atom will have only in first or any carbon atom. In only two carbon atom there will be double bond. But here double bond illa. Here there is no double bond here. Only in between. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವದಾರ ಒಂದು atom unstable ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್. Unsaturated means I told you unsaturated hydrocarbon can react. Saturated hydrocarbon do not react very easily with other elements, but unsaturated hydrocarbon they react with other elements very easily. They undergo additional reaction. Addition ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಉಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ it can undergo additional reaction and as well as substitution reaction, but saturated hydrocarbon do not undergo the additional reaction because there is no free electrons or free bond is not there. That is the thing. Next one, you only write on your own. I'll ask you, just show me that. The next member is butene. Write on your own. Use the formula CnH2n. Same formula you use it and write the molecular formula and structural formula for this compound. This compound is very. Then write it. I'll ask some of you to show that. So I'll ask you to show that. So write it down. Anybody wrote? How many of you wrote the structural formula, molecular formula for butene? This carbon, this compound is having a Bute means 4 carbon. ENA means double bond. ENA means double bond. Use that general formula and write it. Yeah, those who are written, show me or raise your hands. Okay. Anvit, show. Anvit, switch on your video. Unmute your video. And show me what you have written. Which Anvit it is?
Banwasi, sir.
Banwasi Anvit. Just show me that what you have written. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am not able to See that? It's not visible. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನ್ವಿತ್.
C4H8.
C4H8. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ.
Yes, sir.
Show me the video. Show me that paper. Switch on your video and show me that paper. Molecular formula and structural formula. What is written?
Sir, switch on.
I'm not able to see you here. Okay. Structure, molecular formula ತೋರ್ಸು.
Sir, C4H8.
C4H8. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡುವ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ಈ ತಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಮಗೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ n is equal to 4 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ CnH2n C4H, so H2 into 4 that becomes C4H8 ಅಲ್ವಾ. C4H8 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. First between 2 carbon atom you put the double bond now. So one bond ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 electron ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. one bond means 2 electrons. Already you know it. Covalent bond ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನೆ. ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. How many electrons should be there? 8 electrons should be there. Octet. Every element wants to get its octet. Every element becomes stable by sharing the electron. Covalent bond ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, so every element will share or donate electron to become an octet. To get the octet configuration, it will donate or share the electron. Here sharing will happen. See here. So this carbon atom 1 2 electron 3 4 5 6 only one hydrogen will bond over here. See here, carbon around the carbon 8 electrons should be there. 8 electrons should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this 4 electron belong to this also and this also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Karthik, I hope you have got you understood now. See here. Karthik, you have missed this hydrogen. This hydrogen is not there in your structure. This hydrogen is not there. You have written this hydrogen here, which is wrong. Writing like this is wrong. So here one more hydrogen cannot be added because double bond is here. That's why we have to write See, very simple. How you have to correct it? How you have to correct it? So by counting the bonds, counting the electron. For this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here. This is how to just after writing, just check it like this. ಈ ತರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So one more you write. One more you write. Pentene. Pentene. Write it on your own. Karthik, Gowda.
Yes, sir.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ?
Sir, ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಾಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಗೌಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಿ. So just raise your hands. When you finish it, when you finish, raise your hands. Aniket. Aniket. Aniket Hegde. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Have you written? Aniket Hegde, have you written? Karthik Gowda. Okay. Okay, Karthik. Show me. Switch on your video. Okay, 1, 2.
Sir, I haven't.
Show me.
Sir, proceed.
Okay. Karthik Hegde. Karthik Hegde. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I hope you have understood. Then Mahesh, display your answer. Mahesh, display your answer.
Okay, sir.
Switch on your video and display your answer. Mahesh. Yeah, good. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. Okay. Nikhil. Nikhil, yes.
Sir.
Show me your display that answer. Display the answer. Display the answer. Switch on your video and display the answer. Okay. Good. Okay, I hope you have understood. So we'll move to the next one. So next homologous series will go. That is alkynes. Alkyne. General formula for alkyne is 2n Cn H2n minus 2. This is general formula. Here also the first member of alkyne. Alkyne is ethyne. Ethyne is the first member. Ethyne is first member. This is the homologous series. Alkyne is the one more homologous series, and the first member is ethyne. So already eth andre gotu namage. Eth means 2. So n is equal to 2. YNE means nothing but it is a double bond. Sorry, triple bond. So in between carbon there will be a triple bond. Triple bond irutte. So Bongale is having network issue or what? Okay. So YNE means the triple bond. It is a suffix. Here suffix is YNE. YNE is a suffix. Eth is a prefix. Eth means 2 and YNE means triple bond. So use the general formula now. Cn H2n minus 2. So C2 H2 into 2 minus 2. So C2H4 minus 2. So it becomes C2H2. This is the molecular formula. C2H2 is the molecular formula, and for that we have to write the structural formula. Structural formula you have to write. So what is the structural formula? How to write? So how many carbon are there? 2 carbon are there. Write 2 carbon first. So in between, this is YNE. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So it can suffix is YNE. YNE means triple bond. Put the triple bond. Then how many hydrogen are there? Here one hydrogen and here one hydrogen. See here. All one bond means 3 electrons. One bond means 3 electrons. So around the carbon there should be 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this carbon, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how you have to check it. So one more we will write, that is propyl. Propyl will write propyl. So general formula Cn H2n minus 2. Minus 2. So C. So prop means how much? 3. 2 into 3 into minus 2 means C3 H 6 minus 2 4. So 6 minus 2 becomes 4. This is the general formula. You have to write the structural formula for this. So how many carbon are there? 3 carbon are there. Write down the 3 carbons here. 3 carbon is written. For first between 2 carbon you put the triple bond. I told you triple one bond means 2 electrons. See here, for this carbon already 6 electrons are there. Here one of the electron is shared by the hydrogen. See, this is stable now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. So here see, again you have to put only one bond over here. And if you see this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here no need, hydrogen not comes over here. No hydrogen over here. Because already stable it is. This carbon having already 8 electrons. Here 6 electrons, here 2 electrons. Total 6 electrons are there here. No need of writing the hydrogen bond over here. Right? Directly put all the 3 hydrogens over here now. So very simple. It can be structured. They will give the, in the exam they give the molecular name. Write the structural and molecular formula for ethene or butane. They give like this. You have to write that structure. So this is how to write the propyl. So next one, write it on your own. Pentane, you write pentane. Write it on your own. Pentane. and display your answer. Write it on your own. So write on your own for the molecular formula of pentane and structural formula for pentane. Anjali, after finishing
Okay, sir.
raise your hands.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Vinayak, Vinayak, Vinayak. Vinayak, Vinayak, I am not able to hear you. ಮಾತಾಡು ತಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು ಬೇಡ ಮಾತಾಡು. I know you are good in writing messenger. Please talk to me. ಮಾತಾಡ ವಿನಾಯಕ್. ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Anjali, show me. Display your answer. Switch on the video and display your answer.
Sir, is it visible?
Not with this. Bring it a little close. Not visible. What you written? What the formula? Tell me the formula.
C5H8.
C5H8. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, thank you. Soumya Bhatt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, display your answer. Soumya Bhatt. Display your answer once. Display your answer. Soumya Bhatt. Am I audible to you? So there is a network problem over here. That's why we are facing some difficulty in connection. So I'll send the one more link. Join with that link. Thank you. We'll end this. I will send the one more link. We'll join with that link.